Hello, everybody. Am I audible? Just give a thumbs up if you guys can hear me clearly. All right, so we're just waiting for a couple of more minutes. Some more participants are joining, and once they join, we shall begin the webinar. Okay. Okay, guys. Then we shall begin with today's webinar. So, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's enlightening webinar on a topic that touches the very core of our financial well-being: health insurance and its profound impact on taxation. Today, we have the privilege of hearing from an esteemed expert in the field, someone who brings over 9 years of invaluable experience in health insurance to the forefront of our discussion. Allow me to introduce our distinguished speaker, Mr. Manoj Prabhu D, representing Care Insurance. With a career spanning over nearly a decade, Mr. Manoj Prabhu has immersed himself in the intricacies of health insurance, becoming a beacon of knowledge and insight in the industry. For the past 2 years, he has been an integral part of Care Insurance, contributing his expertise to furthering the understanding of how health insurance intersects with our financial landscape. In today's session, Mr. Manoj will guide us through the intricate relationship between health insurance and tax, shedding light on how leveraging health insurance can lead to significant reductions in tax burdens. Without further ado, let us extend a warm virtual welcome to Mr. Manoj as we eagerly anticipate the invaluable insights he is about to share with us. Yes, Manoj, you can go ahead.
Thank you so much, Mr. Aditya, for the introduction. Very good evening, team. I hope am I audible to all. Can anyone please confirm if my voice is clear? In case if there is any disconnect, please do let me know. Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
you're audible.
Right. Thanks for the confirmation. So once again, very good evening, team. Today, health insurance has become unavoidable in our day-to-day life. So there are many reasons behind it. Let's see the importance why we have to take in a health insurance, and also in collaboration with Circle Health, Care Health has designed a completely customizable product with a lot of different benefits. We'll discuss about the product benefits and also the premium part as well. I think few members have joined additionally now. So good evening once again, Jyoti Sharma. Right.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Can anyone please confirm me? Are you able to see the screen which I have shared?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for the confirmation. Right. So let's understand why do we need a health insurance? If I ask you this question, you will come up with mostly a common answer that it is a financial security. This is what we are hearing for years, right? In case if you have any other answer apart from the financial security, you can let me know. Anybody have any other different answer other than that? Why do we need health insurance? In your perspective,
I think everybody will think about health only, that tomorrow, in case if there is some emergency, something happening to you or your family, then you should be covered, I guess.
great. Okay. Any other answer? I'm just expecting one reason which is going to create a huge difference in future. So that is the one reason which I'm expecting from you. Any other answer from anyone else? Okay, all right. Thanks. I think Chitra has answered. Thank you. So first of all, your family's good health and well-being matters most in the world, right? Unfortunately, the pandemic, like COVID, has been a reminder that we live amidst uncertainties. So, a standalone health insurance cover is worth having in this day and in this age. Why I'm specifying this age, this day, today itself, we need to think about taking in a health insurance. There is a reason. See, many people says that, sir, today I'm healthy. I don't have any problem. I'm completely all right. Maybe future में मेरे को health insurance का need होगा. मैं उस समय में देख लूँगा. I could hear such reasons from many people. They are telling that health insurance को need अभी नहीं है. ठीक है, मैं बता रहा हूँ sir. Today okay sir, but if you look at the future after 3-4 years or after 5 years, the medical expenses is going to rise abnormally. Then at the time definitely you will be in need of a health insurance. People will come up with very simple answers. Sir, वो 5 साल की बात है ना, अभी तो दिक्कत नहीं है ना सर. Currently there is no problem. Definitely, there is a reason why we are insisting that health insurance is important. We need to take it immediately. See, when we are healthy, when a customer is healthy, entire health insurance companies are ready to give him a product with a reasonable premium. Maybe the company to company, product to product, the benefits differs. That is different. But when customer started to have some health issue, when say for example, if he or she is got diagnosed with some health issue like BP, sugar, okay, then that is a minor problem. Maybe health insurance companies are ready to give them a plan, but with some waiting periods. Definitely, there are many complications associated with the BP and sugar. Say for example, if someone has BP, in future it may cause heart attack, it may cause stroke, and diabetes may cause diabetic neuropathy, it may cause diabetic retinopathy, diabetic ketoacidosis, diabetic kidney problem. BP and sugar generally we hear from many people, right? In the society, many of the people are having BP, sugar. They feel that is very normal, but it may cause many other complications in future. They are not thinking about it. They are not thinking about it. Today I'm all right. Only I'm having BP and sugar, and it is also in control. But what will happen in case if it gives some other complications, as I mentioned? In future, definitely they will be in a trouble. They will have to spend lot of amount, and in case of such unforeseen medical emergency, definitely they will not get any support from any insurance company. At the time, if they go and request the health insurance company, I'm just giving you a real time example for your better understanding what has happened to my own uncle. He was actually suffering from BP and sugar, and as well as he just underwent some hernia operation in past. That is the only past history for him. At the time, even I requested him to take an health insurance. He said that no, as of now there is no need, no problem. Okay, fine. And after that, he got diagnosed with a diabetic kidney problem. Because of diabetes, he has got a kidney disease as well. And after that, he realized, okay, having health insurance is very important. Then he came up to me and he requested me to give a better plan. Yes, even I suggested him a plan, but unfortunately, insurance company has rejected his proposal because of having diabetic kidney problem. None of the health insurance company in India were ready to give him a health insurance plan. At last, what happened? He met with an accident, and still he is in a coma. For the last 2.5 months, he is in a coma, and they have spent around 25 to 30 lakhs till date. Accident is covered from day one. I hope you know. As per the health insurance terms and conditions, accidental injuries are covered from the day one. If he has taken the health insurance when he was healthy, then definitely he would have got up to the extent whatever the sum insured he has selected, he would have got support from the health insurance product that he have purchased. But he was very like he was taking it very easily, and he told that at the time he didn't require any health insurance. But today the entire family in a trouble. They are really seeking support from fundraisers like Impact Guru, etc., etc. So this is what the practical. This is the reality, right? So there are many reasons. Reason number one, the changes in the lifestyle. Because of lifestyle changes, life-threatening diseases are growing in India. And you believe or not, especially for the people under 45, the lifestyle diseases are on the rise, like diabetes, heart disease, obesity, respiratory problem, cholesterol, anxiety problems, spinal disorders, lung liver problems, kidney disorders. There are many lifestyle diseases that are on rise for the people under 45. That's why I mentioned today you may be healthy, but you need to take the health insurance today itself. Tomorrow, if you get diagnosed with any of these health insurance, like if any of these lifestyle diseases, then definitely it will become difficult for you to get a health insurance, even though you are ready to pay additional premium. Right? That is reason number one. And second reason, this is the expected reason from the crowd, which is medical inflation. Medical inflation is a reality. The healthcare expenses are increasing 10 to 14 percentage annually. Just imagine, it is rising 10 to 14 percentage annually. It is rising abnormally. We can see some examples. What kind of future that we are going to face for the hip replacement. Right, hip replacement, right? For a hip replacement, the current cost, it is 3 lakh to 3.5 lakhs. But within next 5 years, okay, I'll show you in the next slide. Before that, we can see the cost of other treatment as well. Stent is very normal. Going and having stent has become a very modern treatment nowadays for blocks in the heart. So heart angioplasty, the current cost, it is up to 3.5 lakh to 4 lakh approx. And coronary artery bypass graft, the bypass surgery will cost around 4.5 lakh to 5 lakh approx. And renal transplantation, kidney transplantation may cost around 5 to 15 lakhs approx. Depends upon the criticality with that patient. And heart surgery may cost up to 5 lakh. The open heart surgery may cost up to 5 lakhs. Depends upon case to case. And liver transplantation, it may cost around 22 to 30 lakhs approx. Current cost. And if you just, I think the current after 5 years, 10 years, what will be the estimated amount, that is not mentioned here, but let me tell you. As per the research, it is estimated the heart angioplastic cost will go up to 7-8 lakhs in next 5 years. As you can see, just currently, if it is possible to go and have an angioplasty surgery for 3.5 lakhs approximately. But after 5 years, it is going to become 7-8 lakh rupees. And after 10 years, it is going to touch 20 lakh rupees. And after 20 years, it is going to become 40 to 45 lakhs approx. And similarly for the all other treatments. It is going to increase 10 times in the next 20 years. Just imagine, this is the future that we are going to face. I hope you know, with 40 45 lakhs you can purchase a property now, but after 20 15 15 20 years, that is the cost which you are going to bear for just an angioplasty surgery. So definitely, to beat this inflation, we need a health insurance. That is the reason number two. And reason number three, it is to protect your savings. This is the common answer which we will always get. Even one of you has told, it is the financial security. In other words, we can say health insurance is a collateral security. When I say collateral security, I'm just putting an example. Just imagine that Mr. John, okay, one guy, Mr. John has a 10 lakh of bank deposit, all right. He's having a 10 lakhs worth of jewel, okay, fine. He's having a 10 to 15 lakh of deposit with mutual funds and share market, great. That's a great investment. He don't have any loan, that's great, okay. And also he's having a own property around 40 lakhs, great, fantastic. He's really a valuable person, he didn't take any loan. And also he's having some own property, he's having a jewel around 10 to 15 lakhs, he's having a mutual fund investment, he's having a bank deposit of 10 lakhs, he's having a good salary of 70 80,000 per month. Excellent, he's an excellent guy to live in the society. But what happened? He didn't take in a health insurance. Now, as he told, what happened for my uncle, if in case of similar situation, in case of a major accident or head injury or any other major health issue, critical health issue, they will be spending lakhs and lakhs to the hospital. Say, for example, such a major accident, the patient is in coma, himself or any of his family member in coma. They are in a situation to spend nearly 80 90 lakhs to the hospital. Well, now what will happen? First of all, he will take his deposit, and upon completing that, he will try to take loan against his jewel and property. If that is not sufficient, he will try to sell his jewel and the property, and then he will take the entire investment from the mutual funds and share market. Now this guy has become zero. All of a sudden, actually, if you look before the admission, before this accident, this guy has some respect in the society. But abhi to kya hua hai? Now, what happened? He has become zero in the society. Everything has become zero because of not having a health insurance. But if you look at the cost of taking a health insurance, it is just 10,000, maybe 20,000, maybe 30,000, depends upon the age and depends upon the product that you select. Not more than 30, 40,000 maximum, I'm telling. Even if I think it will not go beyond 25,000 if the age is less than 60 or 70. For a less age, it is maximum 15, 16,000. That's it. For a minimal cover. For maximum cover, it may go beyond 20, 25,000 for 1 crore, 2 crore cover. So if he has done this many investment, but if he has done a simple investment of 20, 25,000 and has if he has taken a health insurance for 1 crore, what would have happened? His entire investment will be safe. At the same time, all his medical expenses would have been settled by the insurance company, right? I hope you can get my point. So it is not about the investment that you do; it is about the right investment that you do. So you have to have a health insurance, which is utmost important nowadays. There is reason number three, to act as a collateral security in case of medical emergency, and also reason number four, it will help you to have a tax exemption under the section 80D as per the Income Tax Act. You will be able to get exemption up to 1 lakh rupees, depends upon the age of you and parents. There are four different slabs. If you take a health insurance for your family, I mean, your family means yourself, your spouse, and your children. For you and your family, you can get exemption up to 25,000 rupees in case if your age is less than 60. If your age is more than 60, then for your family alone, you will get exemption up to 50,000 rupees. And for your parents also, you can take a health insurance. You're the son or daughter maybe, so you can propose for your parents as well. So if for your parents also, if their age is less than 60, then you will have exemption up to 25,000. And if their age is also more like beyond 60, then for them also separately 50,000. So maximum 50 plus 50 up to 1 lakh rupees you can get exemption from the section 80D by taking in a health insurance. So these are all the four important reasons that why a person should take a health insurance. Got it? Have you got some clarity of taking in a health insurance?
Yes, yes. But I had a question actually.
Mm.
Yeah, so I was just
Yes.
wanted to know, like, if I were to take health insurance, right? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, Mr. Aditya, you're audible.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So I'm saying, you said that if I'm under the age of 60, I can get cover of how much against my tax? I can have
25,000. So you can see in the
20.
slab. Yeah.
Okay, okay, yeah, right
Up to,
here, right.
yeah.
Hmm.
So here I have shown. So first yourself, like self, spouse, and dependent children, you will have exemption up to 25 years if your age is less than 60. Okay. And for parents also, if their age is also less than 60, then for them separately you will get exemption up to 25,000. So 25 plus 25 up to 50,000 you can have an exemption. And in second scenario, you are less than 60 but your parents are more than 60, then in that case 25 plus 50 total up to 75,000 you can get an exemption. And under the third scenario, you're also more than 60 and parents also like 80, 90, then 50 plus 50 up to 1 lakh rupees you will have an exemption. So the maximum exemption under the section 80D, it is up to rupees 1 lakh per year. Got it? Any doubts?
Understood.
Tim, is it clear? Do you have any questions till now in this? Have any questions? Any other views? Right. Thanks for the confirmation. Now we'll start with the product benefits. Give me a second. So, thus, having health insurance will ensure the maximum coverage and prove to be an ideal security for your and your family's financial well-being. Now, also let's see what you will get in the health insurance plan, because many people does not have any idea that मेरे को health insurance में क्या क्या मिल जाएगा. They only think that मेरे को admission होना है तब मेरे को insurance मिलेगा, and they think that health insurance is like just giving some limitations for everything. Uh, they have lot of imaginations about the health insurance. Let's understand what are all is getting covered under the health insurance. So health insurance, first of all, it gives you cashless claim benefit. That is very important. Cashless claim means when you are in hospital, at that time itself you can initiate the claim, and the claim will be processed and will be settled by the insurance company, and just you will have to pay the difference amount maybe for the non-payables. As per the IRDA, there are around 198 non-payables, which are consumables, disposables, are there like syringes, needles, face mask, etc., etc. Just you will have to pay for the non-payables. Approximately, I'm telling you, if there is a 1 lakh of bill, then maybe around 5,000 to 10,000 you will be paying for the non-payables, and the remaining amount will be settled by the insurance company. And secondly, COVID treatment is covered. So not only COVID, any infectious diseases like COVID, dengue, malaria, typhoid, any seasonal diseases, that all will get covered. And coverage for the hospitalization expenses, which means more than 24 hours, 24 घंटा से ज़्यादा अगर पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल में एडमिशन हुआ तो उसको हम inpatient hospitalization बताएंगे. So inpatient hospitalization is covered. It is inclusive of room rent, ICU charges, doctor fees, surgeon fees, operation theatre cost, anesthetist cost, medicines, investigations, everything, whatever incurred during the course of hospitalization. Everything will be covered under this health insurance. And also daycare treatment. Daycare, it is just a 3 to 4 hours of procedure, or maybe 4 to 5 hours of procedure in the hospital, like cataract operation, chemotherapy, dialysis. These are all the daycare treatment which doesn't require 24 hours of admission. So that is also covered under the health insurance. And आपको एम्बुलेंस कवर आ जाएगा, एंड आपको डोमिस्टरी हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन का कवर, मतलब घर से ट्रीटमेंट लेते हैं ना, उसको डोमिस्टरी हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन बोलेंगे. वो भी कवर हो जाएगा हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस में. एंड ऑर्गन डोनर एक्सपेंसेस, प्री पोस्ट मतलब एडमिशन को पहले कंसल्टेशन मेडिसिन बिल सब रहेगा ना, तो उसको प्री हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन बताएंगे, दैट इज कवर. एंड डिस्चार्ज होने के बाद सारे बिल्स रहेगा पोस्ट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, दैट वी विल कवर. Critical illnesses will be covered and coverage for the accidental injuries from day one. So these are all the things an a health insurance product will cover. Now let's see what the product we have customized in collaboration with the Circle Health. It is only for the Circle Health customers. No one can take this product apart, like if they are not customer of Circle Health, they cannot take this product, because we have designed completely a customizable product with uh, more benefits, and also with a reasonable premium. We'll go through that. So this product for a Circle Health, we have a product uh, which is
Yeah, I also just wanted to add, like, it's
yes,
made in collaboration with Care Health, like as you mentioned, and it is a highly subsidized plan and is just for our Circle Health users. So, if you are interested for either yourself, your family members, or your dependent, you can reach out to us. I will share a number in the chat, and if you are interested, you can reach out there and get. If you want, you can also ask Manoj right here, like if you have any queries or any doubts regarding what it covers, what is the exact nitty gritty of it. Manoj will be there to help you. And yeah, so yeah, you can carry on, Manoj.
yeah, thank you. Coverage details you can see here. We are offering this plan both in the individual and floater basis. Individual means someone can take this plan separately, and also as a family, if you want to take, yes, it is possible. As a family, you can take like your spouse and your children. So it is also possible. And relationship maximum we can allow two adult plus two children in this policy. Husband, wife, and their two children. Okay, दो बजे तक पॉलिसी में फ्लोटर बेसिस में ऐड कर सकते हैं. And the entry age it is 18 years for adults, and for children in the floater policy for a children 91 days is a entry age, which is 3 महीना होने के बाद आपको बच्चे लोग का ऐड कर सकते हैं पॉलिसी में, फ्लोटर पॉलिसी में. And maximum entry age will be 65. So 65 is the maximum entry age for this for taking this health insurance plan. And for dependent children it is 24 years. Kyunki at the age of 25 they will automatically get exited from this plan because they will become independent, right? So exit age for adults there is no exit age. Lifelong age policy ko renew kar sakte hain. But for a dependent children we have an exit age of 25. Okay, and pre-policy checkup, there is no pre-medical checkup. Sometimes, based upon the proposal information, it might get triggered based upon the good health declaration. But there is no compulsory pre-medical checkup for taking this health insurance plan. And membership, this is only for the registered customers of Alignment Healthcare Private Limited, which is Circle Health. And policy tenure, we have 1 year policy tenure alone. So for 1 year, you can pay premium and subsequently you can renew. And claims, we have both cashless and reimbursement facility. Claim servicing, we have an in-house claim settlement process. So Care Health is not having any TPA. Care Health is not indulging any third party. We do an in-house claim settlement process with the highest claim settlement ratio in the health insurance industry. Plan benefits, we offer three different kind of sum insured here, starting from 3 lakh, and also we have 5 lakh and 10 lakh. We have three different sum insured: 3 lakh, 5 lakh, and 10 lakh rupees. And inpatient care, it is covered up to sum insured. Inpatient means 24 hours more than if patient got admitted, it is covered up to sum insured. And daycare treatment, as I told, uh, any treatment that doesn't require 24 hours of admission, so that is also covered up to sum insured. And pre and post hospitalization expenses, it is covered up to 30 days and 60 days. Pre मतलब admission को पहले वाला bill सब 30 days तक cover हो जाएगा. Before the admission, customer may be taking some consultation, or he may take some medicines, or he may be taking some investigations like blood test, urine test, x-ray, MRI, etc. Whatever the bills before the admission, 30 days, up to 30 days we can cover. And similarly, after the discharge, up to 60 days ka post hospitalization bills will be up, like considered. Post hospitalization is covered up to 60 days. 2 महीना तक cover हो जाएगा. And domestic road ambulance charges, it is covered up to rupees 2000 per admission. हर admission के लिए 2000 तक इनको road ambulance benefit मिल जाएगा. And domiciliary hospitalization, it is covered up to sum insured if the treatment exceeds 3 days. There is a simple condition for taking this domiciliary hospitalization. In case if patient is in a very critical situation, which means he is not in a situation to travel to the hospital, or either hospital does not have sufficient beds, therefore he is compelled to take a treatment from his home upon advice from his treating doctor, then that is payable if the treatment exceeds 3 days, and we will cover that even up to sum insured. And waiting period, initial waiting period 30 days, it is for emergency problem, like heart attack, cancer, stroke, any infectious diseases like covid, dengue, malaria, typhoid fever, loose motion. So for any emergency problem that require immediate admission, it will be covered just after 30 days of waiting period as per the IIDA norms. That remains same. And next is named ailment. Named ailment means chronic ailments. Point number one, it will take some time to develop in the body. We can say that are chronic in nature. Chronic means long standing in nature. First of all, it will take some time to develop in the body, and secondly, the treatment is postponable. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल हार्ट अटैक आए तो हम तुरंत हॉस्पिटल जाएंगे ना, ट्रीटमेंट हमको पोस्टपोन नहीं कर सकते हैं, दैट इज इमरजेंसी, इसीलिए वो 30 डेज के बाद पॉलिसी में कवर हो जाएगा. बट अगर बैक पेन, शोल्डर पेन, नी पेन, ये सब आया तो हम क्या करेंगे, तुरंत हॉस्पिटल जाएंगे क्या? नो राइट. एनीवन सेज फॉर अ बैक पेन, शोल्डर पेन, नी पेन, for this and all, do we go to hospital immediately? Is that is an emergency problem?
No, we kind of just like put ice or something and just like it'll get fine. So ठीक हो जाएगा,
Yeah.
right?
Right, so we will have an assumption, okay, पहले मैं पेन किलर लूंगा, टैबलेट्स लूंगा, फिजियोथेरेपी जाऊंगा. If pain has not come down, then मैं hospital जाऊंगा. It is postponable, and moreover, those kind of problems will not develop immediately in the body. थोड़ा time लगता है वो problem body में develop होने के लिए. Say for example cataract, which is any diseases related to eye, any problem related to eye, anterior and posterior chamber of eye, and ENT, ear, nose, throat related problem, hernia operation, kidney stone, gallbladder stone, fistula in nano, fibroid, varicose veins. So these are all the problems which will be covered after 24 months of waiting period, which is common across the health insurance industry in any product according to the IRDA norms. That is covered only after 24 months. And in case of any pre-existing disease, मतलब पॉलिसी लेने के पहले से अगर इनको बीपी, शुगर, आस्थमा, थायराइड, और ऑलरेडी उन्होंने हेर्निया ऑपरेशन करके आया था, सो एनी प्री एग्जिस्टिंग डिसीज मींस पॉलिसी लेने के पहले से इनको वो बीमारी है. ओके, in case of any pre-existing disease, that will get covered after 24 months of waiting. This is very important. This point I would like to highlight. If you take any product from the health insurance market, maximum health insurance products are offering coverage for the PED only after 4 years. Many products in the health insurance, maximum 90% of health insurance products are offering the coverage for pre-existing problem only after 48 months, 4 years. But यहाँ पे सिर्फ सर्कल हेल्थ का प्रोडक्ट में, in this product, PED will be covered after 24 months. Whatever the pre-existing problem you have, it will be covered after 24 months. And next it is about sublimit, the restrictions that we have. Only we have few restrictions like conditions on the policy. Room rent, we have a condition which is covered up to 1% of the sum insured. For sum insured 3 lakh, and if the sum insured is 5 lakh or above, which is 5 and 10 lakh sum insured के लिए आपको single private room तक ले सकते हैं. You can take a single private room. And ICU charges. ICU means it is not only ICU. Any high dependency unit like ICU, CCU, NICU, PICU, whatever it is covered up to 2% of the sum insured for 3 lakh sum insured, and 5 lakh and above sum insured में कोई limit नहीं. 1% मीन से फॉर एग्जांपल रूम रेंट का लिमिट के बारे में बता रहा हूँ. 3 लाख सम इंश्योर रहते हैं, इनको 3000 तक एक दिन के लिए रूम ले सकते हैं. एक दिन का लिमिट में बोल रहा हूँ, एक दिन के लिए 3000 तक इनको रूम ले सकते हैं. एंड अगर सम इंश्योर 5 लाख से ज्यादा है तो इनको सिंगल प्राइवेट रूम तक ले सकते हैं. एंड आईसीयू चार्जेस, आईसीयू में इनको 3 लाख सम इंश्योर के लिए 6,000 तक लिमिट रहता है, हर दिन 6,000 तक हमको दे सकते हैं आईसीयू चार्जेस। एंड 5 लाख से ज़्यादा है तो सम इंश्योर, इनको कोई लिमिट नहीं है, इवन हर दिन 10,000 15,000 कोई भी अमाउंट हमको अप्रूव कर सकते हैं। एंड कैटरैक्ट ऑपरेशन के लिए सब लिमिट होगा पॉलिसी में 25,000 per eye, okay, per eye 25,000 rupees per policy year. And for both eye, maximum up to 50,000 rupees you can get it for the cataract operation, only for the cataract up day care surgeries में सिर्फ cataract operation के लिए सब लिमिट रहता है, which is most common. कैटरेक्ट को छोड़ के अदर डे केयर ट्रीटमेंट लाइक कीमोथेरेपी, डायलिसिस, उसके लिए कोई लिमिट नहीं। ओनली फॉर अ कैटरेक्ट वी हैव अ लिमिट ऑफ 25,000 rupees per eye per policy year. So as of now, any doubt? Till now it's clear. Any doubt, please let me know. Any questions?
If anyone has any questions, you can please raise your hands or drop it in chat. We will answer everything. And if you are good
Anything?
to go and no questions, you can drop a thumbs up.
Just give me some sort of confirmation. If you have any questions, do let me know. Otherwise, can I get quick yes if you are clear with the product conditions? Done. Okay. Right. Thanks for the confirmation. Let's see the premium. Okay, this is very important. If you want to take this product here with the Circle Health, definitely you are getting this plan with a reasonable premium. You can see the premium chart, which is excluding GST. In addition to this, 18%, 18% GST will get added. सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ बेनिफिट्स के साथ अगर अपने मार्केट में जाके कोई भी प्लान आप लेते हैं, प्रीमियम इससे ज़्यादा है, इट विल बी हाई। ओनली विद सर्कल हेल्थ आपको इस प्रीमियम में इस प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएगा। डेफिनेटली पीईडी का कवर 2 साल में आपको मिल रहा है, एंड स्कैटरेक्ट को छोड़ के कोई लिमिट नहीं आता डे केयर ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, एंड प्री पोस्ट इज ऑल्सो कवर्ड अप टू सम इंश्योर। सच अ वंडरफुल प्रोडक्ट. In the market, if you want to take a product with such similar benefits, definitely you will have to pay higher premium. So only for the Circle Health customers, this product has been designed, customized, and with the reasonable premium according to the age band, which you can see in the screen. 18 to 35, if the age of the eldest member, if it is 18 to 35, for an individual it is 3,000 rupees, just 3,059 rupees in exclusive of GST for 3 lakh sum insured. This slide, it is for 3 lakh sum insured, and for 2 adult husband and wife, okay, it is just 4,351 rupees excluding GST, up to 35 years. Really it is very reasonable amount. And for 2 adult plus 1 children, husband, wife and children, entire family can take this plan within 35, then premium is just 6,000 rupees excluding tax. And up to 45, just only 1,700 rupees difference. 7,700 में आपको इस product 45 तक आपको मिल जाएगा. 45 तक सिर्फ 7,700 rupees. And for 2 adult plus 2 children, for the entire family, it is just to 9,364. And 46 to 55, 7,488 for an individual, and for 2 adult it is 11,563, and for 2 adult plus 2 children it will come with 15,585 only. And even up to 65 years, this product is possible to take with 25,484 with family. 4 बंदा के लिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, 25,484. And also for the 5 lakh and 10 lakh sum insured also will have very reasonable premium. You can see for 5 lakh sum insured 18 to 35, for an individual it just starts with 3,804. आप इमेजिन कर लो, हर महीना हम चाय, स्नैक्स, for anything, right, for any movie, we will be spending at least 1,000 rupees in a month. In a year you will be spending 12,000 rupees for some other additional activities. But यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ 4,000 रुपये में आपको हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस आ जाएगा, 5 लाख का सम इंश्योर इंडिविजुअल. You will be not having worry. 5 लाख तक कोई भी unforeseen medical emergency आता है, you will be safe. And for two adult husband and wife, कुल मिला के total 5,492 rupees. And for 2A plus 1C it is just 7,556, and for 2A plus 2C it is just 9,620. I think premium details Mr. Aditya will give you, uh, and accordingly for the 10 lakh sum insured as well. Aditya, you'll be sharing the premium details to them individually also, right?
Yes, after the
Okay.
session is over, it will be shared over mail.
Done. And for a 10 lakh sum insured also, 10 lakh sum insured, this is absolutely fantastic. Up to 35 years, you can take 10 lakh ka policy, health insurance ka policy with just 5,000 premium, excluding tax. And for two adult, it is 7,242 only. And even up to 45 years, 7,000 में आपको individual में policy ले सकते हैं. And for two adults, it is just 10,057 excluding GST. Right, this premium chart you will get it from Mr. Aditya. I can go through that, and according to age you can select the sum insured. If there is any PED you have to mention, and for that you will get coverage just after 24 months. Right, it's such a great product. You're getting tremendous benefits with a very reasonable premium, which is only possible for the Circle Health customers. Right, in outside the like in the market the premium will be literally high, I want to mention. So now this is time for you. If you have any questions related to this product or anything related to the health insurance, about the care insurance company, if you want to know, whatever the questions that you have in your mind, you can ask me. Also, let me give a quick intro about the company Care Health Insurance. It is standalone health insurance company. Standalone means they only do health insurance in India. They do not do any general insurance like two-wheeler, four-wheeler insurance and all. So Care Health Insurance, it is a standalone health insurance company which does in-house claim settlement process. They don't have any TPA. And Care Health Insurance is the second largest standalone health insurance company in India, with the powerful backup entities like Religare Enterprises with Kedara Capital and Union Bank of India as an investors. And Care Health Insurance has started its inception on like company has got incepted on 2012, and shown 10 times growth in the past 10 years, and with highest solvency ratio in the health insurance market in India, which is nearly 2.52 percentage, and with industry best claim settlement ratio of more than 95 percentage. Even during the COVID pandemic time, we were able to maintain the claim settlement ratio more than 95 percentage. So in collaboration with Circle Health, we want to deliver the excellence to Circle Health customers, and that is an intent of having and creating this product for you. I hope you would have understood the product benefits. In case if you have if you have any questions, you can let me know.
And I just wanted to add as well that in the chat there is a number. You can call this number for finding out more details. If you felt like some of these plans were interesting and something that you want to take up, you can also discuss further on the number that's given in the chat. Apart from that, if you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask.
It would be amazing if I get yes or no, whether you understood, whether you have any questions. If I get some sort of confirmation from you people, it will be good. Right? Aditya has told it's clear. Thank you, Madam Pushpatam, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, I think that's great.
And
Brijmoji,
also, if you felt that someone that one of your friends or family or some of your colleagues could be interested in looking into this, you can also tell them about it, and you can either share the number that's in the chat, or you can share what the plan I'm going to be sharing over the email. So yeah, if you are interested, that's the way to go. Okay.
I think we can wind up, right?
Yeah, I think we're good to go. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Tim. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manoj. It was a great session, and I think we
Very
all learned.
informative, very detailed session. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manoj.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much.